Hey Sam, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I got to speak with Christina, who thought you should be the one to see this video. So today I'm just going to give you a few tips that you guys can apply right away so that you can start getting more traffic and get more of those organic leads. It is important to note that 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website, so it is very important that your website be fully optimized. As you can see, we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your services, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want. Okay. I am not seeing any content on your homepage here. So Google does not rank a website based on appearance. It is based off of content. In Google and ranking websites, content here is key. The more content you have, the better. You do need more than all of your competitors. And your content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage, focused around those buyer intent keywords, and that breaks down to about 100 to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Now, the buyer intent keywords are going to be the words people are actively searching in Google for the services that you offer. So those are the words that you need to be focused on targeting and build your content around that. If you service outside of your community, then you should have a separate page for each of your service areas that has any type of keyword volume. And you definitely need to make sure that each of your service areas has their own unique content as well as enough content to go after the keywords for those services so that Google can put you in front of your customers. Now, Google has little robots called crawlers that index each of these pages, pulling that content to find your keywords so that you can be indexed for them, ranked, and then put in front of your customers. One of your top competitors is Stover's Restoration. They have a nice looking website. They have the separate pages for each of their services. Unfortunately, their intro is pretty much the only content that they have. So these guys, content-wise, should be very easy to beat. They have a little bit of keyword usage here. And they do have a separate page for each of their service areas. But unfortunately, they did those incorrect as well. They are just duplicates of this homepage and are missing content. So they're missing out on a considerable amount of volume. And so to beat these guys, the first step is going to be to have more content and to dial in your content and keyword strategy. And then the next part is your search engine optimization. So this is Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see right here, you have a rating of a 1.6 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website. And that is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You really don't have very many, and not all backlinks are created equal. So you're going to need a lot more backlinks, but you're also going to need higher quality backlinks. You need authoritative backlinks that are related to your services and that are do follows. And you're going to need a lot more than your top competitors for each of your services and in every service area that you service. Because you don't have much content, you've only been indexed for 3 keywords, and you're only seeing on average 22 people per month. If we look at your keywords, these are all brand based, which is okay for building up your brand. And this is the only one on the first page here. But it's not actually helping you to be found for the services that you offer. So you definitely need to work on your strategies. This is your competitor. They have a rating of a 17 with over 892 backlinks. So you are going to need more backlinks, but also better quality backlinks. They've been indexed for 380 keywords, and they're seeing 166 people on average per month. And there's quite a bit more volume than that in the service area of Wichita. So you guys are both missing out on quite a bit of traffic. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more authority and power it's going to give you. And when they are do follows instead of no follows, they actually share the power of those high ranking sites with you and help you to rank faster. And then you also need to make sure that you are linking these backlinks to the keywords that you need to rank for so you can be found for your services in each of your service areas. And the last thing to mention is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for your keywords and service areas, because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So when you're not in the top 3, you're sending all of your potential leads to your competitors. So in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of the business and address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So you will need more of those citations than your top competitors. And when you follow all these steps that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your keywords in your service area. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give us some feedback and let us know what you thought of this video. However, if you would like help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.